Michelle here with Straw-Bearie.com. I'm a teacher, I'm a crafter, and I'm a DIYer. And today I'm going to share with you my top 10 Google Chrome hacks. Number 1, let's say you have a whole bunch of tabs open and there's one that's really important that you need to make sure that you don't accidentally close when you're closing all the rest. So you can go up to that tab, right click on it, and pin. And when you pin it, it moves it to the left, and look, there's no X on it anymore. So you can't accidentally close it. Hack number 2. Do a new tab by doing your plus sign. And right here is your Gmail, a link to get to your Gmail. Quick and simple. Number 3. Are you like me and you accidentally open way too many tabs and then it becomes overwhelming and you're not sure what to do and you don't want to have to go click, 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 click every single little tab? Well, have no fear. There's a hack for that. So I want just the tabs that are here on the left. I'm done with all the tabs on the right. It's too annoying. So I'm going to right click on that tab and look down here, close tabs to the right, and they all start closing. You could also just pick the tab that you're on and close other tabs, and that would close everything else. Number 4, have you ever been having a bunch of tabs open and you hear some music or sound playing and you're not sure where it's coming from? Well, look up at your tabs and you will see one that has a speaker. And you don't even have to go to that site. Just right click on it and you can mute that site. Number 5, when you hit that plus sign, a waffle, that's what I call it, a waffle appears over here, and that gets you to all your other Google apps. So you can go to YouTube, you can go to Gmail, you can go to your calendar, you can go to your Drive and your Docs, and all those places that you need to go on Google. Quick and easy. Number 6, Google has an omnibar. So instead of just having to put in an address that starts with www, you can just put in whatever it is that you're searching for. So if I'm searching for dogs, I just type that in. And so it's a search bar and it's an address bar all in one. That's why it's called the Omnibar. Number 7, when you do a Google search, you can search by images. You can search by shopping. You can search, let me go back, because shopping has a whole bunch of things you can search by as well. You can search by videos, you can search by news. There's so many different things that you can search for to help you find what it is that you're looking for a little faster and easier. Google hack number 8. So you're doing a search for an image. And let's just say I want to search for a dog. And I'm going to click the images. Well, if I come over here to tools, it drops down these other things. So now I can search more specifically. Like I can search by type. Maybe I just want to search clip art of dogs. I can search by size. I want large ones. I can search by color. Maybe I just want pink dogs. And this one's pretty cool. You can search by time, like when it was last uploaded, but I like this one, usage rights. So I can search by like Creative Commons license so that I'm searching for the most part for dogs that I might be able to reuse. Isn't that cool? Number 9, as I'm looking through and searching for images and not sure, if this is the one that I'm going to want or not, I can come over here when you click on the image and just click this little, looks like kind of a little bookmark tab, and just click that and it saves it. And as I keep looking, okay, I'm not sure if I want the poodle. Oh, well, that's a pig. I was looking for dogs, and I can just keep kind of going through and looking for the ones that I want. And when I find one that I like, I click that little button. Well, what does that button do? It saves it. Where does it save it to? Well, funny you should ask. I think I can tell you. So go to google.com/save. And any image that you have saved is right there so that you can find it again really quickly and easily. Speaking of saving things and finding them really quickly, next, Google hack number 10 is how to bookmark. So first you want to go to a website that you want to bookmark. So here I am at straw-bearie.com, and it's super difficult. No, it's easy. You come up here to the omnibar, you see the star at the end, you click it. Boom, you're done. You have now bookmarked it. I have mine bookmarked up here. There are a couple of other little things that you can do when you go to bookmark it. So let me remove it and let me show you. When you go to bookmark that, I can change the name of it. So if I have a lot and I want to just put down like SB, I can do that. I can put it here in my bookmarks bar, or I can make other folders and things of other bookmarks. And when I'm done, if I want to go and organize them, I come over here to the far right of the omnibar, and I have my snowman, those 3 little dots, and you click that and it opens up this menu of bookmarks so that you can go and you can go to Bookmark Manager and organize them and put them all exactly where you want them. I hope that you have found something helpful that you can use with Google Chrome. If you enjoy videos like this, please let me know by giving it a thumbs up, and let me know if there's something Google that you want to know. And I'll think about making it in a new video. Have a great day. Toodles.